Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature on Instagram, allowing your followers to mention you. This can enhance your engagement and visibility on the platform. Let's walk through the updated steps to enable this feature. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app installed, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your settings. Next, look for the More icon at the top of the page. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Tap on it to access a menu with various options. Now, navigate to Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial as it allows you to control how others can interact with your account, specifically regarding mentions and tags. Under the Who Can Mention You section, you'll see several options. Here, choose Allow Mentions from people you follow. By selecting this option, only those accounts that you follow will be able to mention you in their posts, stories, and comments. This helps maintain a level of privacy while still engaging with your community. Once you've made this selection, your changes will be saved automatically. Now you're all set. Your followers can mention you in their content, which can help boost your visibility and foster connections within your Instagram community. Remember, managing who can mention you is not just about privacy. It's also about enhancing your experience on Instagram. By allowing mentions from those you follow, you can ensure that your interactions are meaningful and relevant. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Instagram effectively. Happy posting!